So with our multiple regression, we can figure out our OLS estimators the same way as we did with the simple regression. So remember, in the simple regression, we try to minimize the sum of all these UIs squared. And again, now we're just going to sub in what UI was with that expression we just saw, with that observation level expression. We can move everything else, all those x's and betas, to the one side, and it's going to be y minus all of them. So W equals the minimum. So this is our criteria that we're minimizing. We get to pick beta 0, beta 1, all the way up to beta k, because we have k of them. And we're just going to plug in what that UI equals from that last expression that we wrote before this kind of board. Just going to try to save myself some room. Ki squared. So we're minimizing this, and we get to pick all these different betas. So we're going to take k plus 1 first order conditions. So we're going to take these first order, we're not actually going to, but this is how the computer is doing this, or kind of how they're doing it. I'm going to take the first order conditions with respect to all these parameters we get to choose. We're going to get k plus 1 first order conditions, and we have k plus 1 parameters. So assuming there's a unique solution, which is going to be an assumption it's going to be related to an assumption we're going to make. We have k plus 1 first order conditions, k plus 1 parameters, so we could solve for all of them. So for example, if k equals 1, like we had that simple regression, we just had those first two first order conditions that we could solve for. Now it's just a more complicated system of equations. We're not going to do this by hand at any point in this course when we have more than 1x, but that's exactly what's happening. We're using that same idea that we did for simple regression to get these estimators for multiple regression.